Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's the Cakey Duck here. If you're new here and you've not subscribed, kindly subscribe to my channel. Here we learn all things cake decorating. If you're a beginner baker, a mom baker, I have everything you need. Let's decorate this cake. So I'm just assembling my cake layers. So I'm using the vanilla layer and a chocolate layer in between, and then another vanilla layer, and I'm applying my sugar syrup, which is just equal parts water, equal parts sugar. Boil it, cool it down, and that's your syrup. And I am using Swiss meringue buttercream. Yeah, it's my go-to buttercream. It's absolutely delicious. It's not grainy. It is just silky smooth. I'm gonna leave a link in this video to a video about how to make it. So yeah, I'm applying the crumb coat, which is the basic structure you need to gather all the crumbs in the cake before you then apply your final coat. Don't skip this step. Don't skip it at all. Yeah, so you just need a thin layer, gather the crumbs, and then you just pop it in the fridge, allow it to firm up, and that is the crumb coat. Yeah. So this is a 5 by 8 inch cake. So it's back from the fridge, and now it's time for the final coat. So I'm using a ganache, which is basically chocolate, white chocolate, with heavy cream, and it's gonna be a Barbie themed cake. So my idea was to make 3 shades of pink, um, and just put some accessories on it. So this is the first shade, which is a light pink. Yeah. So the weather was hot as I was scraping that. Is you can see that it pulled out some of the buttercream there, but that's fine. That can be fixed. So all I needed to do was just apply more of the ganache to cover it, and yeah. So that's why you need different sizes of your spatula, because you're going to be doing a lot of like filling in the rough spots and scraping it. So you need different sizes of spatula to be able to do that. Yeah. So that's basically what I'm doing. I'm just trying to make it smoother by applying more ganache on the rough spots and just covering it. So now I'm going in with my second shade of pink, and this is still ganache. Yep. Okay. So, and if you ask me, how do you make ganache? Well, ganache can be quite technical. Maybe one day I'm gonna do a video about it. But basically, the principle is 3 in 1. So 3 parts of your white chocolate to 1 part of heavy cream. So if you were like, so whatever weight your chocolate is, then that's should be 3 parts of that to 1 part of your heavy cream, and then you melt it. I mean, it's quite technical. So but I will be doing a video sometime. Yeah. So I've done the third um layer, or like the third shade, and I'm just making that all smooth. And now comes the accessories. This is the fun part. This is the part I like. Like all the other parts, we are just, just making the foundation for the decoration. This is the part I like actually then decorating it. So I'm just putting my card and my card Barbie shapes and the meringue swirls. So those are actually meringue swirls, which I basically made from, and also the meringue kisses as well. So the egg white I used for the Swiss meringue buttercream, I just, you know, colored some part of the egg white and put it in the oven um, for 100 degrees and for 40 minutes. And that's how it came out like that. And then yeah, I'm just still decorating. Always a cupcake, adds beauty to your decorations. If you're looking for ideas to decorate, yes, meringue kisses can be used. You can use cupcakes. Of course, you can use toppers and charms, like I've done in this case. Yeah, so I actually made those toppers myself using my clay cut machine, and it's supposed to be Olivia, right? But the name on that card is kind of joined, so it's not really coming out well as Olivia. But yeah, I had to change it, so I had to do another one, and then you're gonna see that I'm gonna change that charm to a better Olivia. So I've also added the chocolate bricks, and yeah, those are all different things that can just add to your decoration. So yeah, so this is the second charm I've done, and that's better spells Olivia. Yeah, so that's the final look. I hope you love this look. This is the Barbie cake I made for a 5-year old, and she loved it. Everyone loved it. Yes, so if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. If you would like to see any specific videos, please comment below. Tell me what video you would like me to make. And yeah, I'm here for you. So please watch other videos, just click on that playlist. All my cake decorating videos. I have videos on bento cakes, videos on cartoon cakes, Yeah, and please like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, and I'll see you again later. Bye.